Welcome to the hydraulic press channel. Today we are going to find out how strong and explosive is tungsten when it's frozen with liquid nitrogen. And we are going to also test a bunch of other metals, and I assume they are really explode all because liquid nitrogen makes everything better. And I think we start from left to right. First one, aluminium. And yes, I have also brass cylinder. This is going to be the last crush of the day. Okay. It was surprisingly soft. Surprisingly soft. It just got pancaked. It's not cold anymore. I think all the crushing that we did for it turned it to like not very cold. Okay, next one is titanium, and I think I have to go faster so the metal doesn't have enough time to warm up while it's been crushed. So full speed with the titanium. Here we go. Okay. That was quite interesting. Was it harder than before? It took like forever to crush it. Yeah, I think it's more interesting to you because I can play the like side by side things. But yeah, I thought that these would like all explode into million pieces, but no. And the titanium, it's not only cold, but it's actually warm. It's like 40 degrees. But the tool under it is slightly cold. Okay, here we go with the king of metals, tungsten. And this time I have supercooled bottom press tool also, so the tungsten will stay extremely cold until it's crushed. And my prediction is explosion at 95 tons. That is Anni's opinion.
No explosion.
No explosion. Okay, here we go. Okay, press loose, husband loose, tungsten wins, and the wife wins.
Woohoo!
No explosion. And this time everything was super cool, so that's not the problem. It just doesn't want to explode. And here is the old clip from room temperature metal cubes test, tungsten. It looks to be actually pretty much the same. Only difference is that we have softer bottom tool, so the cube sinks more there. It might be also that the steel gets harder when it's cold. And then magnesium, and this is pretty weak, and now we have really good setup, so I'm going to expect this one to explode. Yes! That was really weak. That was really weak. It just turned into rubble or something. What you call that? Finally we did it. Actually break something. Okay, it splits into two first, and then it starts to like crumble like totally. That's pretty nice. How about even slower slow motion? The resolution is pretty bad because this is running like super fast. This is for the fastest explosions. Okay, it's like really slow. Yeah, it just splits in two. This is the old familiar way of splitting two from the window killer. And be sure to watch the end of the video because there we have the window killer brass cylinder waiting still us. Okay, and then last of the cubes, copper. Fine. Okay, that was really soft. That was so soft that you can see the like damage that is on the tool from previous ones printed on top of the copper pancake. We made world coldest coin, coolest coin. Okay, and then we have some cool square-made rings. I think I wanna test tungsten ring also. The cube is so hard to crush. The ring we can crush, and it has small amount of copper in it to make it harder to crack, but I think it's going to crack with the liquid nitrogen treatment that we are going to give it. Okay, here goes in the first ring, and we are going to crush them standing, because if they are lying down, they are stronger, but they are going to for sure get hot. Okay. Okay, there definitely was a difference this time. Surely snapped. Okay, 10 fancy titanium ring.
Ah!
Okay, okay. What? That didn't snap. There is differences on these. Let's do black zirconium next. I think we are not going to do all of these, but let's do a couple more. I wanna do stainless steel. We haven't crushed any steel yet. Okay, there was some like crumpling sounds. Let's have a look on the high speed. Yeah, it starts to crack just before it like closes on it. Okay. Moment of the truth. Frozen window killer there. Whew.
I'm not happy.
I'm pretty sure that we are not going to kill any windows, but how bad it's going to be, that's the question. I think it's going to be pretty bad. Holy shit, this is stupid, it's so tall. Don't try this at home, kids. This has to be one of the most explosive things that you can crush. Woo! Here we go! Really bad sound.
Ah!
Yeah. It exploded, all right. I'm not sure what to say. Let's have a look on the high speed. We can have some kind of idea what really happened there. At least we didn't kill any windows. Exactly the same thing as last time. It went to like side and a little bit back, so there isn't any windows, so it's not like homing into windows. It goes just on random directions. How about the monochrome? This runs really fast. Okay, you can quite nicely see how it goes here. They always go on this about same angle, and then there's like smaller fragments as a bonus for other windows. Yeah, here are all the main metals crushed. As you can see, there's quite large differences on them as usual. And I have to say that liquid nitrogen doesn't make them that much weaker. But if you have other ideas what we should super freeze, please let us know and we are going to do it. Yeah, and that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.